Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Savita and today's video is about prosperity lamp for abundance and financial growth. Please watch the video till the end to know all information of this lamp. For this you will need a clay pot like this. You can find these pots very easily. Okay, and before using you will soak it in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, and then let it dry and use it. In this you will add one cinnamon stick. If it's a big stick you can break it and put it. One star anise you will add. One bay leaf. If the bay leaf is big you can again just break it and put it inside. One small dried piece of ginger. 3 cardamom. 3 cloves. And as you add these ingredients you will continuously chant money affirmations, or you can chant the Shri mantra. Okay, any money affirmation you can keep on chanting, and you will add 3 allspice and little saffron. Okay, and in this you will use ghee, that is saturated fat, or sesame oil. Okay, and you will use this kind of wick, like this wick you get very easily in any puja shop. You will keep this wick for burning the lamp. Okay, so once you put this wick, before burning the lamp, what you will do is you will take a paper. Okay, a plain white paper you can take, and on this you will use a blue pen or a green pen and write your wish about money, or if you need any urgent amount of money then write that amount and keep that paper under this lamp. Okay, and then you can burn this lamp. You can keep this lamp in your house, in your altar, or in your office, in your shop you can keep. Okay, when do we make it? You can make this lamp on a new moon day or on Friday in the evening. Okay, and you will let it burn for 7 days, from the new moon till 7 days, or on Friday till 7 days. You can let it burn for 1 hour daily. Okay, and then keep adding oil in it. When the oil is less, keep adding oil or ghee in it. Okay, if you want you can let it burn continuously for 7 days as per your wish. Okay, after 7 days you will take the paper and burn it and put that ash in this lamp, and then you will discard the whole lamp under any tree. Okay, so you can make this lamp on every Friday, a new one, or on the new moon day. Have faith and use this prosperity lamp. And if you have any doubt, write it in the comment section. And for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you all.